Assalamu alaikum, hello everyone, welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator as well as English trainer. I hope you are fit and fine, and I am more and less well by the grace of Allah. Today I am going to talk about road related vocabulary, because most of the time we walk on this road, but we don't know the name of these things. Okay, so today I'm going to show you many things. Just stick to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to show you what is this behind me. This is called Grassy Dirt Road. Okay, and I have given a photo on my mobile screen. Okay, so you are being able to see. This is called Grassy Dirt Road. That means ঘাসযুক্ত মাটি রাস্তা. So how to create any sentence with this word and how to play with this word? Like you can say, I am making a video. I am making a video about Grassy Dirt Road, or you can say I am standing. I am standing on a Grassy Dirt Road, or you can say he is sitting. He is sitting on a Grassy Dirt Road. Okay. So after that, let's see the another word. This is called uneven. So this is called uneven. What does this mean? That means অসমান, অসমান রাস্তা. So how to get any sentence with this word? You can say like this road is uneven. This road is uneven. I don't like this kind of uneven road. Yesterday I walked on an uneven road. Yesterday I walked on an uneven road. Okay, let's see the another word. This is called, that is called winding road, or you can say differently like curvy road. Okay, so how to use this kind of word in our daily conversation? You can say the baby is standing on a winding road. Winding road, that means পেঁচানো রাস্তা, বা আপনি বলতে পারেন যে আঁকাবাঁকা রাস্তা. ওকে, the car was moving on a winding road. The car was moving on a winding road. Okay, let's see the another word, which is called, and what does this mean? That means like bumpy. Bumpy, that means গর্তওয়ালা রাস্তা, ঝাঁকুনিওয়ালা রাস্তা, অনেক গর্ত থাকে, ঠিক আছে? তো এটাকে বলা হয় আপনার বাম্পি রোড. So how to get any sentence with this word? You can say yesterday we drop on a bumpy road. Yesterday we drop on a bumpy road, or you can say I don't like this kind of bumpy road. Okay, or you can say I am walking on a bumpy road. I am walking on a bumpy road. So I hope you are getting my point, what I am trying to say, and you have been able to get my words from this video. Okay, so no more late. Till then, take care, keep practicing, have fun, and assalamu alaikum.